Our topic about the demisemiquaver notes. We before spoke with you about semiquaver and today about demisemiquaver, 30-second notes. Demisemiquaver is the note which has three tails and it rest as well has three tails. Demisemiquaver we always write as like one word and the note with the three tails and the rest with the three tails as well. Our next task, we have to complete the sentences by the numbers. So first repeat. We have the semibrief. Semibrief is the biggest note. It's subdivided on two medium. Each medium going to be subdivided on two crotchets. Each crotchet we subdivide on two quavers. In this case, we have 8 quavers in the semibrief. Each quaver we subdivide on two semiquavers. In this case, we have 16 semiquavers in one semibrief. And each semiquaver we subdivide on demisemiquaver note. In this case, we have 32 demisemiquaver notes in one semibrief. Each demisemiquaver note has three tails. If we join them by 2, we write the join 3 lines for each group. Now, one semiquaver lasts as long as like 2 demisemiquaver. We can see this, that one semiquaver gives us 2 demisemiquaver. One crotchet gives us 2 quavers, 4 semiquavers, and 8 demisemiquavers. One quaver gives us 2 semiquavers and 4 demisemiquavers. One semibrief gives us 2 mediums, 4 crotchets, 8 quavers, 16 semiquavers, and 32 demisemiquavers. Quaver with a dot, it's quaver plus the semiquaver. It gives us 4 for quaver and 2 for semiquaver, total 6. Medium with a dot gives us medium plus crotchet. In medium, we have with you 2 crotchets, 4 quavers, 8 semiquavers, and 16 demisemiquavers, and in crotchet 8. So total 24. Crotchet with a dot gives us crotchet plus the quaver, and it's going to be 8 plus 4, total 12. Next task, we have to add the bar lines. And here we have with you 4 crotchets in a bar, and we have to repeat how long each note gives us. 4 beats for semibrief, 2 beats for medium, 1 beat for crotchet, half a beat for quaver, quarter beat for semiquaver, and 8 part for demisemiquaver. In this case, let's count. We have 1/8 plus another 1/8, then 1/2, then quarter the dot, another 1, then demisemiquaver. For demisemiquaver, it's 4 times by 1/8, then 1/2, another 1/2, half a rest, 2 demisemiquavers, quaver, quarter, it's semiquaver, crotchet, then demisemiquaver. There are 4 demisemiquavers here, then quaver, quaver, and another quaver. Let's join them. 2 demisemiquaver gives us semiquaver, then we have half and another quarter, total 1 beat, 1 beat. Now 4 demisemiquavers will give us the 1 beat here, another 1 beat, bar line, quarter, half, and quarter, altogether 1 beat, 1 beat. Then 4 demisemiquavers plus the quaver gives us 1 beat, and another 2 halves, 1 beat. We add the bar line. Now 4 demisemiquavers. We already met it before. We know that 4 demisemiquavers makes for us the group of quavers, so half a beat. Another half a beat. Altogether it's 1. Half a beat for 4, half a beat, another 1 at the bar line. Here we have with you the rest with the 3 semiquaver notes, and we join them equally like the first one. Another bar line, here half, half, 2 quavers, and the bar line. The next one, we have with you 4 demisemiquavers together gives us 1/2, another half, 1 beat. Crotchet rest, equal group like the first one, 1 crotchet, medium rest, half a rest, half altogether, and 8 demisemiquavers makes for us 1 beat. Then 3, 4. Here we have with you 2 halves, then we have half, quarter, and now the group of the triplet. Group of the triplet is the group which gives for us equal time as like group of two or one crochet. If it's semiquaver, it gives us less. If demisemiquaver, it will give us 1/4. So this another equal group like the previous one, half, quarter, two demisemiquavers to the quarter, and let's count one bead, second bead, third bead, and bar line. One bead, second bead equal to the previous, third bead, bar line. It's another one bead, second bead, and the third bead. Next task we have with you to complete by the rests. We have the rhythm and we have to add the rests. Let's see how it will work. Example A. In this bar we have to put the rest under the stars. So 2 crochet gives us 2 beads in a bar. We have with you half, we have 8 demisemiquavers which make for us the group of 1. So we have it complete. For the crochet we have already done from this crochet the half of the bead, yes? So for us left another half which going to be written by the quaver rest. Next example, 3 quavers in a bar. 3 quavers in a bar gives us group of the 3 halves. We have to remember that they are going to be written all together under one line. So this bar gives us 1 crochet, then 3 demisemiquavers. So 1 crochet is 2 quavers, and here we have to add with you another 1. So we can find with you that in 1 quaver we have with you 2 semiquavers and 4 demisemiquavers. Where already we have with you 3 demisemiquavers done. For us left 1 more demisemiquaver, we have to write it like rest. Next one, 3 crochets. So we have with you 3 crochets. So the first is the half, then semiquaver quarter, another half. 4 demisemiquavers makes for us the half, 2 more halves. Let's see, these 2 halves makes for us the crochet. Another 2 halves, another crochet, and here we have with you from this crochet already done the half and quarter. So the crochet we can subdivide on 2 halves or on 4 semiquavers. In this case we have 1 semiquaver at the end and the quaver at the beginning. For us left another 1 semiquaver rest. 4 crochets in a bar. So 4 crochets in a bar gives us 4 groups by 1 bead. Here we have with you, this is half, another half, 1. So we have complete the first bead, the second bead as well complete. Now here the gap and 3 more halves, where we can find that the last 2 makes for us the 1, and from the middle we have with you from the third bead halves to add. Yes, so we have with you to add only 1 half because 1 half already done. Here we have with you 3 crochets in a bar, 3 full beads. And let's see, quarter, then demisemiquavers, 6 demisemiquavers, where we know that 4 demisemiquavers makes for us the half, another quarter, 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 and half, altogether 1 bead. We have the first bead complete, second bead as well complete, and the last bead gives us 2 quarters. So we remember with you that the crochet, it is 2 quavers or 4 quarters, 4 semiquavers, where the last 2 we already have. We need to add with you 1 more quaver, 1 more half. Next one is 2 crochets in a bar. We have with you 2 demisemiquavers and 1 crochet. So 1 crochet we have, 2 demisemiquavers. Let's see, crochet it's 2 quavers, 4 semiquavers, and 8 demisemiquavers. We have with you already only 2 demisemiquavers. For us left from this 1 semiquaver, from this half, and here another half semiquaver, and this is make for us 1 quaver. And here let's see, 4 crochets in a bar, and here we have with you quarter, quarter, make for us half, then quarter, 1/8, 1/8, and half. So this all group makes for us altogether one full bead, so we cross it. This make for us the half. So from the third bead we can find with you that the half already done. So we need another one and then 2 more beads. Its minimum rest should be. And the last one, it's 3 crochets in a bar. So we have with you 3 full beads in a bar. We can find with you that the first bead done and the next 6 demisemiquavers. So 4 demisemiquavers makes for us the half, another 2 makes for us the quarter of the bead, the semiquaver. And let's see. So it was the last bead. In this case, we can find that the crochet gives us 2 halves, 1 half already done, but from the first we have only the quarter. So we need to add to it another quarter. And for us left now 1 more crochet. We have to add crochet rest. Please continue your home task and send me your home task on my email. Thank you.